In today's video, I will show you how to get Spotify Premium on phone. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Spotify is a span of just a few years managed to do the impossible. The platform not only completely changed the way we listen to music, but also managed to stay on top of the food chain in the years since. Even though giants like Amazon, YouTube, and Apple have been trying to steal Spotify's top spot, the service that started it all has been the most popular streaming platform choice for years. This popularity isn't due only to extensive library of music, podcasts, and audiobooks that the platform offers, but also all the new feature and ways of discovering new content that it's known for. So, if you want to enjoy all benefits on your Spotify, you can upgrade your account to premium. How to do it? It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Spotify. You can log in into your account, and from here you'll find there is an option premium. You can just tap on that. Here you can choose the plans, the available plans for like individual for 3 months. Here's the benefit: one premium account, you can cancel anytime, subscribe, or one-time payment. And the family, here's for up to 4 premium account. You can control content marked as explicit. Ability to buy one until 2 additional premium account with a recurring subscription, and you can cancel anytime. Or dual, 2 premium accounts, you can cancel anytime, subscribe, or one-time payment. Or student, one Fair Vibe premium account, discount for eligible student, and you can cancel it anytime. You can choose. Maybe for the example, we'll just choose the individual one. This for 3 months because I already buy before. I can resume. You can resume or one-time payment. You can choose. Maybe if you want to buy for only 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year, I will just choose only for 1 month. You can just tap on continue. Now you can choose how to pay. You can pay directly through Spotify or using your Google Play account. I will just choose from Google Play. If you buy using direct through Spotify, you can pay through Spotify with any supported payment like credit card or debit card. We'll just choose on my Google Play. Now you tap on continue. You can choose your payment method in here. I'm using Shopify. It's still processing and payment is successful. Now you have upgrade your Spotify to premium account. You can enjoy all the benefit. You can listen to the music with no ads on your account, in your Spotify. It's very simple, right? So that is how to upgrade your account to premium on Spotify. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.